everybody. Well, it's Thursday. Out for a walk after 3 days of torrential rain.
It was only 3 days?
Only 3 days.
Seemed like it was longer.
Florida, Fort Lauderdale got covered in water. Their airport closed. There's a storm that wouldn't go away. Well, we came on the very south end of the island for a walk. Some people down there in the water. This is a sunken ship. You see it all over YouTube. It's pretty nasty. I wouldn't want to go by that. Get a nice cut. Yeah, you're in trouble. Down there is where you would come in. See the boat going out now. Some people probably try to make it across today. It's really isn't that bad, but want to let the seas calm down a little bit. I think we're going to be leaving on Sunday. And once again, there's like no sand down here. It's just coral. But here it looks like some sort of ruins. Probably was condos at one time, and it seems like every time they have a hurricane or something and it breaks, they don't fix it. Everything is just abandoned and just left to rot. Awfully weird. That's what I think is ruining this island. It's just not pretty except for the water. I mean, look at that. That is just something else. We should have this home in New Jersey. Never leave. Wouldn't have to leave. Something everybody should see in their lifetime. At least once, whether you fly here or come on a cruise ship. Don't come in your boat though. It's a nightmare. There's so many boats and less marinas for everybody to go to, less anchorages, and it's like a big train of boats just heading to the same place, and you have to deal with a lot of stuff, and it's really not fun. Unfortunately, the trip got cut short because of the weather. The further east we would have went, the more it would have taken us to get back. And they're right about what they say with the weather window. You go, you travel for a whole day, 100 miles you could do. You get there, you're there till the next weather window. And like this one started raining on Monday and it didn't stop till yesterday. So you can't travel today because of the seas. Have to calm down. And then you get someplace else 100 miles away and you get bad weather, you're stuck there again for who knows how long. And then that pattern just continues on. That wasn't for us. It was enough stress and anxiety just getting here. And now we have to go through it going home. Something we're both not looking forward to, but have no choice. But okay, enjoy the view.